In today's video, we're going to work with groups of dots where we have 2 in the top band. So we have stops running out between every 2 dots, and in the bottom band where we have stops between every dot, so every dot in the top line, and this similar in the bottom, and that gives 2 separate rhythms, and I'll show you what they look like here. So we're going to start at the top here, and we're going to run up till we hit our band, till we hit our stop, then down to the side and we turn, and then out to the side and then turn, up and turn, and then down through our band till we can't get further. We hit our stop and then we turn, and then we hit a stop and turn, and then down, and then here again we hit a stop, so we turn, and a stop, so we turn, down through our band, and towards the end we turn, and then we move it back and turn, and at the end we turn, come down, turn at the stop, and then we go up, we turn, and at the stop we turn, and we turn again and down, turn at the stop, up, turn at the stop, down, and here we've come through our band. So here is now, I hope it's clear, you can see there are groups of 2 dots and the rhythm that creates. So that's the top band. The bottom band looks like this. We move diagonally up and then diagonally down, and then we move diagonally up and diagonally down, and diagonally up and diagonally down, diagonally up, and then here we're moving out and we're turning and coming down, catching our dot, and then diagonally up and diagonally down, diagonally up, diagonally down, diagonally up, diagonally down, and then again we're at the end, so we're turning and then coming out and then turning again and then catching our last dot. So here, this is reminiscent of, I think, in section 2 of Kuetzle's workbook, you have a couple of exercises numbered 2 to 5 in the second section of his book, where you have a sort of similar kind of line running, and this is like that. That's all for this week. Practice these forms and practice feeling the difference in the order and the rhythm and the movement, and then I'll see you next week with a new form drawing exercise.